Welcome to your channel, Persistent Finances. Your friend Antonio Ramirez is speaking to you. Today we're going to explore a cornerstone of personal finance, the monthly budget. This seemingly simple tool is actually a powerful ally in your quest to improve your financial health. A monthly budget isn't just about tracking income and expenses. It's a roadmap that guides your financial decisions, helps you set and achieve goals, and ultimately, paves the way to financial freedom. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of a budget, show you how to create one that suits your needs, and highlight the advantages of maintaining a monthly budget. We'll also provide actionable tips to avoid unnecessary expenses and build a solid foundation for your financial future. Now, are you ready to take control of your finances? It's time to dive into the details, so let's get started on our journey to financial freedom. Why is a budget important, you may wonder? Well, let me enlighten you. A budget is a critical tool in managing your financial health. It's not just about crunching numbers and squeezing every penny. It's about understanding how money works for you, identifying where it's leaking, and planning how to allocate it better. Imagine your finances as a ship sailing towards the land of financial freedom. Your budget is your compass, guiding you through the stormy seas of expenses and steering you clear of the rocks of debt. Without it, you're sailing blind, and let's be honest, nobody wants to be lost at sea. A budget helps you track your spending. It's like a financial diary, keeping a record of where your money goes. This way, you can identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses that are sinking your financial ship. It's surprising how quickly small purchases can add up over time. That daily latte or weekly takeout might seem insignificant, but when you see it on paper, you realize it's eating a significant portion of your income. A budget also provides a roadmap for your future savings and investments. It helps you set financial goals and work towards them. Whether it's buying a new car, going on a dream vacation, or investing in your retirement, a budget helps you allocate funds for these goals. It's like having a financial GPS that tells you how far you are from your destination and the best route to get there. Additionally, a budget brings about a sense of financial discipline. It sets boundaries on your spending and encourages you to live within your means. This discipline is crucial in achieving financial freedom and maintaining it. It's like the rules of the road when driving. They're there to ensure you reach your destination safely. Ultimately, a budget is about taking control of your financial future. It empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. It's about being proactive, not reactive. You dictate where your money goes, rather than wondering where it went. Remember, a budget is not a limitation on your spending, but a plan that helps you spend your money wisely. So how do you create a monthly budget? It's simpler than you think. Firstly, you need to take note of your income. This is the total amount of money you receive every month, whether it's from your job, your investments, or any other sources. Make sure to include all your income sources. The sum of all these sources is your total monthly income. Next, you need to list out all your expenses. This is everything you spend money on in a month, from your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, to your occasional coffee or movie ticket. It's important to be honest and meticulous here. Include every penny you spend. It's better to overestimate your expenses than to underestimate. Once you've listed out your expenses, it's time to categorize them. This step is crucial because it helps you understand where your money is going. A common way to categorize your expenses is into two groups: fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are those that don't change month to month, like rent or mortgage payments. Variable expenses, on the other hand, fluctuate from month to month. These include things like groceries, entertainment, and personal care. Now that you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to set some financial goals. These goals could be anything from saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or saving for retirement. Whatever your goals are, make sure they're realistic and achievable. Finally, you need to adjust your budget as necessary. This is an ongoing process. Life happens, and sometimes your income or expenses can change. It's important to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. If you find that you're consistently overspending in one category, try to find ways to cut back. On the other hand, if you're consistently underspending, consider reallocating that money towards your financial goals. With these steps, you've paved the way towards a secure financial future. Now that you've created a budget, what are the advantages you can expect? Well, let's dive right in. The first major advantage of having a monthly budget is the potential for increased savings. With a budget, you're no longer guessing where your money is going, you're directing its flow. This means you can allocate specific amounts to your savings each month and watch your nest egg grow. It's like giving yourself a pay raise, without the awkward conversation with your boss. Next up is reduced stress. Money worries are a common source of stress and can lead to sleepless nights, strained relationships, and even health problems. However, a well-planned budget can alleviate these concerns. It's like having a financial roadmap that guides you through each month, letting you know exactly where you stand. You can sleep better knowing that you're in control of your financial destiny. The third advantage is better financial decisions. When you're aware of your income and expenses, you can make informed choices about your money. This might mean cutting back on unnecessary spending, investing in your future, or even starting that side hustle you've been dreaming about. A budget provides the clarity you need to make these decisions with confidence. The fourth advantage, and perhaps the most exciting, is progress towards financial freedom. With a budget, you're not just surviving from paycheck to paycheck, you're actively working towards your financial goals, whether that's buying a house, retiring early, or traveling the world. Each month, you're taking steps towards making these dreams a reality. Now, it's important to keep in mind that a budget is not a magic solution to all financial problems. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. A budget requires discipline, commitment, and regular reviews. But with time and practice, it can become a habit, and the benefits are well worth the effort. So, to recap, a monthly budget can increase your savings, reduce your stress, improve your financial decisions, and propel you towards financial freedom. It's like having a personal financial advisor without the hefty fee. At the 5-minute mark, I invite you to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. Remember, knowledge is power, and by subscribing, you're empowering yourself to take control of your financial future. So, why wait? Start your journey towards financial freedom today. With a monthly budget, you're setting the foundation for a solid financial future. That's a mantra worth remembering because, as we've discussed, budgeting is not just about controlling your spending or limiting your expenses, it's a tool for understanding and managing your financial life. We've taken a journey together today, from understanding the importance of a budget, to learning how to create one that suits your needs, and exploring the significant advantages it provides. It's clear that budgeting is a game changer. It brings clarity to your financial decisions, helps you set and achieve your financial goals, and ultimately guides you towards financial freedom. Creating a budget might seem like a daunting task at first, but remember, it's a process. Start small, be consistent, and gradually you'll see the transformation. A budget is not a constraint, but a reflection of your priorities and values. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. With a budget, you can plan for the future while living in the present. You can save for that dream vacation, pay off your debts, or even start a retirement fund. The possibilities are endless when you have a clear financial roadmap. So, are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Are you prepared to make informed decisions and work towards your financial goals? If your answer is yes, then it's time to start your budgeting journey. Remember, every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial freedom. Thank you for allowing us into your homes or study centers. It's an honor to accompany you on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, family, and coworkers, and subscribe to our channel. It's free. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next video.